Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your Apple Watch to Strava step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your devices and apps. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone and running the latest Watch OS. You'll also need the Strava app installed on your iPhone and a Strava account. Step 2. Update apps to the latest version. Open the App Store on your iPhone and ensure that the Strava app is updated. This ensures a smooth connection with your Apple Watch. Step 3. Open the Strava app on your iPhone. Launch Strava and log in with your account. Tap the Profile tab, then go to Settings and select Applications, Services, and Devices. Step 4. Connect Apple Health to Strava. Tap Health and follow the prompts to allow Strava access to your Apple Health data. Make sure to enable permissions for workout data, heart rate, and other metrics. Step 5. Open the Strava app on your Apple Watch. After linking Health, launch the Strava app on your Apple Watch, sign in if required, and allow necessary permissions for tracking workouts directly from your watch. Step 6. Start a workout and sync. Begin an activity on your Apple Watch using the Strava app. After completing your workout, data will automatically sync to Strava on your iPhone. Step 7. Verify your activity. Open Strava on your iPhone to confirm that your workout, heart rate, and distance are recorded correctly. Your Apple Watch is now connected to Strava, making it easy to track all your workouts and performance metrics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more fitness and tech tutorials.